Hi guys, it's math time now, and we are done learning about 3D shapes. Now we're going to move on to something new. Before we move on to something new, I want us to talk about numbers. So I have some cards, and on my cards, I have some dots. I want you to look at the tin frame and tell me how many dots you see. Then show me with your fingers. Tell me, how many dots do you see? 2. Show me with your fingers. How many dots do you see? Make sure to look everywhere on the tin frame and put all of those numbers together. 4. Now, let's talk about how do you see the 4 dots? 3 on one side and then 1 on the other. 4. How many dots do you see? 2. How do you see those dots? 1 on the top and 1 on the bottom. Good. Show me 2 with your fingers. How many dots do you see? There it is. 4. Good. How many dots do you see? All together. 5. How do you see those 5 dots? 3 on the top and 2 on the bottom. Put it together. That's 5. Good. Last one. How many dots do you see? 3. 2 on one side and 1 on the other. Good job, friends. I just wanted to quickly go through and practice how we see our dots. We used to call that number talks. Now we're going to be moving on to something called subtraction. Subtraction means to take away. Now I have a fun little song to go along with it, and as we're singing the song, I will keep taking 1 away. Do you know the song 5 Little Ducks? Well, I have 5 cubes in front of me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And so as something happens in the song, I'll take away one of these cubes. Here we go. 5 little ducks went out one day, over the hill and far away. Mama duck said, quack, 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 quack. But only 4 little ducks came back. Take a look. We had 5. And then 1 little duck went away. How many ducks do we have? 1, 2, 3, 4. So our song is going to start with 4 little ducks went out one day, over the hill and far away. Mama duck said, quack, 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 quack. But only 3 little ducks came back. 3 on our tin frame. So we're going to start with 3. 3 little ducks went out one day, over the hill and far away. Mama duck said, quack, 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 quack. But only 2 little ducks came back. 2 little ducks went out one day, over the hill and far away. Mama duck said, quack, 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 quack. But only 1 little duck came back. 1 little duck went out one day, over the hill and far away. Mama duck said, quack, 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 quack. But none of her little ducks came back. How many ducks do you see? Or how many blocks do you see? 0. So, sad mother duck went out one day over the hill and far away. Sad mother duck went quack, quack, quack. And all 5 of her little ducks came back. So as we sing the song 5 Little Ducks, did you notice something about the numbers? The numbers got smaller. That's right. In subtraction, when you take away, your amount is less. So your answer in your subtraction problem is going to be smaller. It's going to be less than what you started with because subtraction means to take away. So let's do some subtraction with our tin frame. So we're just going to work with 5 today. And I have 5 blocks. And I'm going to take away 2. Now, how many blocks do I have left? Count with me. 1, 2, 3. So if I had 5 and I take away 2, what's left is 3. Good. Now, what if I have 3 blocks and I want to take 1 away? So I have 3 and I take away 1. How many do you see? 2. That's right. Let's do 4 blocks this time. And I want to take away 3 blocks. 1, 2, 3. How many blocks are left? Just 1. That's right. I'll do 4 blocks again. So I have 4 blocks and I want to take away 1. How many blocks are left? 3. 4 take away 1 is 3. Last one, and then you're going to practice on your own. I have 5 blocks, and I want to take away 3. How many are left? 2. Great job. So just like how I practiced with you, I want you to practice on your own. So I have a paper. Looks like this. It's inside your packet. At the top, you have 3 take away 3. And if you look at the picture, there are 3 blocks on the 5 frame, just like how we practiced. When you take away something on paper, you can't rip it off. Instead, you can get a pencil and cross it off and put an X on top. So if I have 3 take away 3, my first number tells me how many I have. The second number tells me how many I need to cross off. So if I have 3 and I take away 3, you count the ones that are left with no X. And then you'll write your answer on the side. When you finish practicing this page, you can turn it over. Now at the top, there are words. The words are in the sentence and some of the words are hard. So ask your moms and dads to read you the sentence and then you listen to what they're telling you and you cross off what's needed and write how many you have left.